fireman bathi abdi parks ezimnyama ngenkandla ezingamagebhulu ezagebhulu umhlaba kamasipala zawubhekisa phezulu awu ithime engasadlala estadium ithime esedlala earena awu bathi limhlophe ithambo limhlophe alinenyama kunjani manje kulate baba sise arena baba hlalo dabeni ithini into yakho
keeper omnandi
yizo nkabi
so keeper, we just witnessed a beautiful game of football today. I was impressed with the boys. Okay, masicala first 10-15 minutes sicale ngathi angazi ukuthi besitatazela nyana lapha phambili sinunderstand ukuthi kwenzakalani, but abafana bangena gradually in the game, you know. I want to give a special shout out to Undaba, because when I saw he line up, I was thinking, hey, but this game is peak, keeper, you know, we need these 3 points. We need our experienced players. So Mangbon Undaba, Dionoto is not there. I was a bit worried. But Umfana, he proved me wrong. He needed those minutes, and of course, again, a rotation, because I need to be playing a big game on Sunday against the Kaizer Chiefs. You know, so the rest was needed for the likes of Dionoto. Because also we must consider their age. Keeper they can't play. Nama injury they can creep in. So shout out to Undaba, beautiful performance. Another beautiful performance as well was Ketleni Makaula, who came in for Utalentum Bata. Again, I was asking myself, what happened to Utalentum Bata? Because I was expecting to see him as well. Kopela keeper, this is a PK. We lose or we throw this game, the league is done. You understand? That's how bad it is. So, shout out again to Ukesheni, Ukesh, because I was worried. Magadara nopta chelu uti creativity zobuya. But of course, because we have Urele, we have Wapolisi, we have Umuremi, sometimes you don't really need that creativity in the middle of the park, because you know what individual players can come into play. Talking about Urele, really, I don't think he had a best of games, you know. But the beautiful goal that he scored, keep on fit to that move on fit, young tour. Then Twana keeps on showing us in fit Amanyama move was a workanti. He missed a penalty, early penalty keeper. You could see what he was trying to do. I don't think it was a bad penalty. And then going into Apolisi as well. Apolisi is our champ, you know. Apolisi is our champ. Apolisi really Moremi if we keep those 3 players for the remainder of the season, I don't see any team giving us problems. You understand? I think we had ama flops too. Again, we had ama flops too. Richards Bay. I don't think there's any room for error now. Once we lose or once we draw, I think it's going to be very difficult for us to recover. So top of the league, keep on fit too. Very confident. Sundowns, bring it on. You understand? Sundowns, bring it on. Any question?
Into esingayisho mabhakaniya yabona lo mfazi womlungu lona mawusetha iGPS mawusetha nje indlela uthi uye earena hayi ngiyamthanda ubuthembekile uvela kutshela ukuthi you can go ungaya but ukuphuma akuphumeki no kabi yami nansi game baba nansi game ngicabanga njengamanje lenqola iyaduma angeke icishe Sunday ayokhonzeka ngenye indlela uThixo ayokhonzeka ngenye indlela madoda amaBhayibheli for sure sobe siwaphethe ngezandla lapha uthini nangu lamlamba baba yonuka isidushise enkulu.
You know what I like about this game, keeper? What I like is that each Chiefs now with their own form, because let's be honest, what we witnessed on our previous derby is not a standard set derby. You know, which is fair. You couldn't even celebrate that win because it was too easy for us. So now sifuna ukubashaya laba confident khona laba khuluma ngenumber 2 khona, you understand?
Phela manje sebekhuluma ngabe yami indaba zo mathematical sebazi maths ulamlamo wayifunda nini maths ulamlamo sekazi ukusolve x mathematically siba unumber 2 kusho ulamlamo phuphe mina ezweni.
So you know what's nice is that mathematically yabo sifuna ukubashafonile ukuthi nje babeke phansi la ma calculator angasasibangela umsindo, you understand? So I think again those 3 players will be very important. Relebogile Mufokeng, Uswena Polisi and Morem, you know. Coach must just continue with that. And also I don't know what's happening to Talentum Bata. but he needs to come in as well. Because we can't only rely on them. We also need to be very strong there in the middle of the park, and we must have someone who's comfortable in the ball, who can be able to break the press, and who's able to run on channels. Because unomtatshela magano uKehleni Makaula, they're big stagnant up in the middle of the park. They just make sure the opposition team don't penetrate. But when you have a ball, they give us close to nothing, not close to nothing. Lack of a better word is that they lack creativity in the middle of the park. Also, we're expecting to see Tien Waterberg. We really need him. And Naba played well, but I feel like this game is a big game. We need our big players. Podlela come back. Siema usase right. Sibelebele usase right. Mbutuma as well. I liked what I saw. At least he got a chance. He scored a goal namhlanje. Udahere nguchairman to play opportunity yakhe namhlanje. So shout out to Mbutuma, and I expect to see him as well. What I like about Mbutuma keeper is that it defense. They don't relax, they don't relax. Because Radio Pani, we know Radio Pani technical umnandi, but the thing is, the boy sometimes who slow is lazy nyana. So Mbutuma, we know uthi sometimes unowenza like izinto zakhe, but uthi when it comes to effort Mbutuma is there. So coach, bring in Mbutuma, really Apolisi Moremi. We beat them 4-0.
Ngamanye amazwi inkabi yami uMbuthuma wenza ama defend angangeni ku TikTok anga relax understand and wenza befocus kuye and ngokwenza lokho bese kutholakala ukuthi omfukeng sebakhona ukukora understand ikhona le yankabi
ikhona le yankabi keeper, and abantu like sometimes we get stuck ukuthi ama-goal, but sometimes we must give kudos to him in terms of his press, in terms of aerial ball, because sometimes win aerial ball it bounces off umfukeng njengokusho umfukeng uyayithola ama 1-2 a goal is scored. People don't give him credit ukuthi this is where le ball la iqale khona, and then Mbutuma naye he was involved in that build up. So Mbutuma mfethu is important, keeper is important, but naye he shouldn't relax, man. Something like ngalesikhathi uRela thola penalty, was he still on the field? He wasn't, ne? Yeah, so naye sometimes alabe greedy njenge striker keeper, so that abantu laba bazama ukubanga umsindo, they know ukuthi
umsindo bebangela uBhodlela. How many clean sheets esibanawo every time le Bhodlela kanti yini?
But keeper, let's be honest, I don't think amabhakani asakhala ngoBhodlela, because
abamncome phela mani ngaka why ivolume ayingabi high manikali uma seni right bese senishine ngena ku mute. You understand kabi yami into engiyifunayo angale mfethu nali iBhodlela lama mistake njengomuntu there and there, but aningaveli nina malenza iphutha. Uma lingenzanga iphutha nithule ngathi aniboni musana ukuziba into enhle ngeBhodlela. Ukapteni wethu lona inkabi zami, and okukapteni ozoqhubuliliki ngithanda lingathanda abangakuthandi lokho engikushoyo nkabi yami abavele babe worse. Into engisho ulamlami nolamlami ayothenga imfene nemithi ngoba vele bazotakata.
Keeper ulayeng uBhodlela played well, I can't falter him. Together naye no Siema, I don't think China was exposed as much today. I don't remember him making a beautiful save, you understand. So I think badlalile abafana keeper, they played. Bhodlela no Siema.
Bopa Pagani.
Bopa.